With great power comes great responsibilities. This is known as Peter Parker quote. You might have heard this in the Spider-Man movie. Why I mention this quote is because the profession having more power will be having more responsibilities. When you need more power, when you want more power to do certain things, you should act in a very responsible manner. So that is what this quote means. With greater power comes greater responsibilities. When we say the mirror reflection of this, we can say that with greater responsibility comes the greater power. So, when we implement the same thing into our physiotherapy profession, physiotherapists actually require the power of to practice as individual healthcare providers. Our profession demands so. There are many reasons that the physiotherapists need the power to practice as individual healthcare providers, prefixing as doctors. There are many reasons for that, out of which the important one is that physiotherapists are the final authority of prescription of exercises for any kind of thing, whether it is rehabilitative purpose or prohabilitative purpose. Physiotherapists are the final authority for prescribing exercises and electrotherapy treatments. There is no where that a patient can go for asking a second opinion for electrotherapy treatment or exercise therapy prescriptions. I have seen, when I was doing my final year postings, I have seen that patient coming back to certain healthcare providers and asking what the physiotherapist has taught them is right or not, the exercises and the electrotherapy modality treatments. Very professionally disciplined healthcare providers explaining the patients that whatever the physiotherapist has taught you is final, and they are also like doctors. So this is the time when I first realized the need of a physiotherapist keeping the prefix as doctors, because our healthcare culture is such that when we don't keep as doctor, what the patient feels that they need to consult someone who is keeping the prefix as doctors for getting the final opinion. And there is no other healthcare providers who can tell the patient that whether the physiotherapist has done the right electrotherapy treatment for you, or done the exact right exercise therapy treatment for them. So now, and the physiotherapy profession has advanced so well that certain exercises and certain electrotherapy things, no other people from no other profession is not even knowing the name of it. So it has advanced to that level. So much of researches are happening in the field of physiotherapy. The second reason is that when we try for some kind of marketing and all, then also we may have to prefix as doctor and practice. Then only the marketing process goes very well. As we are living in a highly competitive healthcare field, marketing is very much necessary, and marketing will be more effective when we prefix as doctors. So these are the main reasons when, out of my 15 years of experience as physiotherapist and as consultant for physiotherapy development services, this is what I felt. When the physiotherapist needs more power to practice as individual healthcare providers, the physiotherapist should act very much responsibly. Why I am mentioning, because when I used to interact with a lot of students and a lot of fresh physiotherapists, especially the first year students and all, what they used to say is that why they choose a profession, why they choose physiotherapy as a profession, because they feel that the responsibility, the load, the pressure of a physiotherapist is much lesser than when they compare this to other respected healthcare professions. So they feel that the responsibility of this profession is very comparatively less to other. But believe me, if only if you are taking the same pressure, same responsibility, or even a higher level of responsibility, you can have the power of practicing as individual healthcare providers, and that is very much essential. So we need to develop ourselves in such a way that we should be behaving as 100% responsible healthcare providers. What I mean is that whether the treatment outcome is good or whether the treatment, we are not got to provide 100% cure for any person. Sometimes there may be the outcome of the treatment may be so good, then also we should be ready to take up the responsibility. We should be more responsible throughout the course of treatment, and we should be willing to take the pressure of the course of treatment. We should not lean the pressure to not towards there should be a team spirit. When you're in a rehabilitation field, there should be a team spirit. You should share your responsibility. At the same time, you should take up 100% responsibility for the treatment provided by yourself. You should not lean that responsibility to anyone else. When we become more and more responsible, we take up the pressure, we start learning more, we will put our maximum effort to the treatment which we are providing, and we will get great outcomes. I wish all the physiotherapists, especially young physiotherapists, young and budding physiotherapists, to be more responsible towards this profession, and build up this profession in such a way that it gives miraculous outcomes.